Hi, I'm Ken.
And I'm Jonathan.
And today we're calling this video the recession busting video. Why? Because no matter how bad it seems out there, it doesn't have to be bad for you.
Now let me tell you a personal story. I'm sure this has happened to many of you as well. But over the last several years, our friends and family have been coming to us and saying, oh, you need to invest in your long-term future. You need to buy a 401k plan. You need to jump in the stock market and invest all your money in there. You need to buy real estate. You need to do this, this, and this. And over the last year, there's been a very big transition in the way they've been talking to us. They went from giving us advice to asking for our advice. And what we have to tell them and tell you is that there is money to be made.
Here's how our clients avoid the recession. They understand that it's a personal choice whether or not they participate. What are they doing? Well, they're trading in the Forex markets, but not only that, they're utilizing the Gomega software so that they're actually thriving. Think about where you're at right now, and I'd like to leave you with a question to ponder. Are you forced to experience the recession, or is it a personal choice?
We've done 23% in a week, and even 20% in a single day.
$2,500 to $3,550, and that is an increase of about 42%.
Hit a profit of $2,216 by January 21st, 2009.
Put $3,000 into the account. Here's the incredible part. 16 days later, I had just over $14,000 in my account.